Looking for a luxury ride with low miles? Check out this 2018 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 Coupe with only 79,000 miles. It comes with current Georgia state emissions and is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, backed by a Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles, plus a 5-year maintenance plan offered at a discounted price at the time of sale. We pride ourselves on transparency. Ask about a recent computer scan, and you'll see a clean bill of health with all 8 of 8 monitors showing no pending or permanent trouble codes and no dash lights. It's ready to roll. As always, we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. You can also ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. Please note, any price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, including the warranty and service plan. Don't miss your chance to own this stunning Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. Come see it today.